Happy New Year! It's cloudy outside, but let's go for a short drive. If you've been following me for any amount of time on social media, particularly Instagram or Facebook, you know that I always share this. My mom used to say, what you do on the first of the year, you'll do for the rest of the year. So I used to just seek out to do all the things that pleased me, like I would shop at my favorite stores, I would eat at my favorite restaurant, and hang out with my family and my friends, all the things that I wanted to do for the rest of the year. Then a few years ago, I decided, you know what, I really need to serve other people on January 1st. So a few years ago, I really wanted to encourage those that didn't have a home to go to, or those that needed some encouragement. So I went out and I bought a backpack, and for the first year filled it up with 2 pair of socks, 2 things of water, and 2 sandwiches from Wendy's. And then last year it grew into those same items: 2 pair of socks, 2 things of water, 2 sandwiches, a Bible, face mask, and some other things. And then this year it grew even bigger, including more toiletries. Still those same items, but even more toiletries. And the goal was to, and it still is, to reach out to the homeless. But we didn't want to insult anyone by assuming that they were homeless. So our message really is to just encourage people on January 1st, just with some food and some water and some toiletry items. So that's what we did this year as well. And I share all this not to brag by any means. I just really want some help. I really want to help grow this effort of encouraging people on the first day of the year. And it really all starts on New Year's Eve, where we'll gather up all the stuff and we'll pack the bags. And then on January 1st, then we go out and we distribute them. So I have a lot of hopes and dreams of growing this movement of encouraging people on January 1st and giving other people an opportunity to serve as well, especially on December 31st, where they can wake up the next day and not feel bad about what they did the night before or recovering from a hangover, but feeling excited about serving other people. And it's been my own experience when I'm kind of down, not sure why I'm feeling down or depressed, that when I serve other people, I'm not inwardly focused on myself, and it helps me get out of that kind of rut, if you will. So that's really the purpose of me sharing this, and just letting you know how just what a great experience it is all the way around. Like, we've had some great conversations with a lot of people, and quite a few people are asleep, in the parks or on a bench or something like that. And it made me think about, why are some of these people sleeping in the daytime? And I think it's because at nighttime you really have to be on guard. If you don't have a home to go to, and a lot can happen at nighttime, you feel exposed. So if you can imagine, you got to be on guard, you have to be awake during those nighttime hours, and then you can sleep during the daytime, hoping that no one will be so brave enough to hurt you in the daytime. So we are aware and mindful of that too, when we do go and approach people. And it's been a wonderful, enlightening experience, and just to talk to people, not just to hand them a bag and be on our way, but to have some genuine conversations with people. And for some, you can tell that they probably haven't spoken to someone in a very long time because they have a lot to say. But it is really an uplifting experience. And I just want to encourage all of you to help me grow this experience. It's great for people that we serve, but also for those that are serving. It's just a great opportunity to get involved. And I do have goals for myself this year as well, obviously, to continue to grow this movement. But I just want to, this year is about growing, like really, just growing more in my faith, growing, just growing spiritually, emotionally, just being present for people and in different situations. I just want to be more present. So I want to grow in that area. Obviously, I want to grow my business as well, which includes this channel. So thank you all so much who have subscribed to my channel. But yeah, this year is really about growing in every aspect of my life. And I would love for you guys to share what you're going to do this year. We all set goals, whether it's, a New Year's resolution, or maybe for the month or the quarter or something like that. And for me, whenever I fall short of completing a goal, like I did last year, I didn't complete a lot of things. I started and it's almost finished, but it's not completed. And the attitude that I take is, I'm grateful that God gave me another day, another year to complete this task that I think is really important for me to do. So I hope you guys feel that way too, that if you didn't get to accomplish everything you wanted to do last year, that God's giving you another opportunity this year, today, this week, this month, this quarter, the entire year, to complete your goals. So leave a comment below on what some of your goals are, and it'll just be interesting to see some of the goals that people have, and maybe it'll inspire other people to say, hey, oh yeah, I'd like to do something like that. I didn't think about that. So yeah, please leave that comment below, and thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. As of this moment, I have 200 subscribers, so I'm super, super grateful for you guys. I have grown almost 100% in about 30 days, so keep it up. So anyway, I hope this message finds all of you well, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Take care.